Today we're going to be taking off the drip rail along the whole side here. As you can see, let me see if I can zoom in. There's tons of silicone on this guy when I bought it. And last year I unscrewed every fastener. Luckily I only broke one. I think it's on the other side. I only broke one, and I think there's enough meat on that fastener where I could take some pliers and vice grips and take it off without have to re-tapping. But anyway, I'm gonna try and make my videos a little bit the quality a little bit more better. Hopefully we'll both learn something along the way. And there's an update due to the virus that's been going around. Unfortunately, the company I work for is closing shop here in town, and as of next month I will no longer have a job. Yay! So I guess in the meantime, after next month, I'll have some free time front end and start taking some of the silicone sealant off with the plastic scraper, and I'm putting some tape along the way to keep it from falling down. But what I'll do is I'll recap what I've done so far maybe in the next video. But for this one, we're just going to concentrate on the seals, on the drip rails. So I've already taken that front cap. It's an aluminum front cap off right there in the middle. I can't point this. I'm holding myself on the ladder. And I've gone maybe up to this point, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fasteners forward from the RV, loose. So slowly I'm working my way to the back. Hopefully I don't damage this thing, because if you get a bend in it, pretty much screwed. I mean, you can try to bend it back, but I'm going to avoid bending it as much as possible. So let's get going. So with help with Jim Bounds, I appreciate some of his insights. So he's out of GMC Co-op out of Florida, and he sent me I know in the last video maybe I did it, he sent me the new side moldings, the window seals, and for the front passenger and right passenger. The seal for the windshield is pretty good. I don't think I'm leaking anywhere along the edges. I am leaking somewhere in the front, up here somewhere on top. As you can see, to the witness, let me get up here. To the witness of all the silicone previous owner tried to do. So I started taking some of that silicone off, and I'm going to be resealing all that up there before painting. Or I don't know, I might paint first and then seal. Not sure yet. Seal what? I just might seal. No, I think I'm just gonna paint first and then seal. That way I can get a good seal on top of the paint as well. But we got to get this crap off, and holy moly, it is hard. I mean, I got a pick that I use, and it's tough. So join me along with my adventure on getting the GMC back up on the road. Hopefully this year she'll be going on a nice little trip with the family. I will be ordering new rims, because these are the original 16.5-inch rims, which I don't feel comfortable driving down the road with, since hardly no one stocks 16.5s in case I pop a tire or two. So we'll be ordering those rims hopefully probably just before I don't know, maybe next month. So I just got to save up, and anyway, so here we go. Okay, take the silicone off, and I'm just going to go along the whole edge. Now with this goop stuff that from the factory, I don't know if this is from the factory, it doesn't look like it. It looks like some other type of sealant. But I actually got these from work. I don't know where to get these. They're just plastic spatulas. Here, there's the brand Plastek, Plastek. You see that? And this actually works pretty good. So you can see it's just scraping along. It helps break it up. I only got 3 of these, so I gotta make sure I make it last. But you see the point. So I just have to go through that throughout the whole RV. If I come up to any potential problems, I'll come back and start recording. But I think what I'm going to do for now is I'm going to put one fastener back in just in case. Yep. And just work my way out, just to get the sealant off. And then what I'll do is come back, take that fastener off, and start pulling the drip away from the RV, and tape along as I go. So let's do that and show you the progress. Okay, so I got all the screws out. I'm ended up this end, so I'm going to start at this end. So starting taking the sealant off. Mini engineer preppers here.
Hi.
Helping me out. He's taking the aluminum tape that they put the seams on, which I'll be resealing. So the easiest way I'm doing this is with these 2 spatulas. I stick one in there and I run this guy along the top, separating. There we go. And then grab the next one and move along. As you can see, it's flopping. And let me put this here for a second. And while it's flopping, there we go. While it's flopping, I'm going to tape along as I go to keep it from falling down. So let me I'll continue proceeding with this. I wish I had a GoPro mount on my head so I could record the whole process without using my phone, but you know, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, do all that stuff and get all these viewers to this renovation, and hopefully with enough viewers I could scrounge up some money and get some I'm recording trying to kill a spider on the stairs on the ladder. Did you get it? Was it big? How big? All right, get on down, buddy. Thank you. So guys, I took the rail off, lifted it up, and the butyrol tape looks like someone's been in here before, because the sealant that was here is not present there, or not as much anyway. And it looks like someone's been here because they got this foam, sticky foam. It's not even sticky. I can just pull it off. See? So it's gonna be nice to pull that off easy, hopefully. But the butyrol sealant is still on here. I'm gonna scrape as much as I can off, and then I'm gonna come with the wire wheel or something, and maybe get the rest of it off. I don't know yet, because I am going to paint the roof, so I'll figure that one out. But the other thing is this: the RTV sealant that I ordered from John. What's his name? From GMC Co-op. Oh my god. Anyway, I think I don't remember. I have to go back. I think there's a video. He said not to put sealant in this groove, but you can put it where the roof meets with the aluminum rail. So right under here is a good place to seal. and along the rivets. That way water doesn't come in this way. And we'll see. This is going to be a long process. So anyway, I couldn't tape it all because I need leverage, and it was popping the rail off far enough where the tape was coming off. So I did what I could, and I just put it on top, so it's fine. Anyway, so proceeding on cleaning this goop, whatever you goop. Oh shoot, that's a yellow jacket. No. Yeah, it's a little yellow jacket. I hate wasps. Keep an eye on that guy. Oh, went under it. Okay, so I'm about 4 feet from getting complete, 3 to 4 feet. So I just want to make a point here that yes, there's still some of this black butyrol on there, but as you can see, the dark patches here, that's silicone residue. That's what I'm trying to get off. I really don't care from this point to the end of the this rail here, because I mean, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get all this residue off first. Here, let's see here. Show you a little spot. Hard to get off with that one, but with my 80 grit. Okay, so as you can see, I got the residue off. Yes, it's exposing the aluminum, but I want to etch it and then prime it. So this doesn't matter because I'm just going to paint over it anyway. I just need to get the silicone off so the paint would adhere. That's the only reason I'm leaving some of this black stuff on there. The other thing to get junk out of this channel, here we go, is to use a wire wheel and just go in there. Pretty easy. Right, and then if you need to get this, want to clean it up a little bit, and then angle it. If you angle it, you'll get the rest of that. Put this back. Okay, so the point is, I'm cleaning this section of the channel. I'm getting the residue off. And then I'm going to edge prime it, and then I'm going to prime it, and I think that's. And then I'm going to seal it. So I think that's the plan. I'm not going to paint over the primer because it's going to be covered by the rain rail. Okay, so almost done here at the end, and then you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but okay. So yeah, so far I'm about, let me see what time it is. What time is it? 6. I'm 3 hours into this. Holy moly! Yeah, so I'm 3 hours just on this one side alone. So that's a lot of time. Okay, be right back. All right, so I'm done with this side for today. I might start unscrewing the other side just to get started, but this side pretty good. As you can see, rust in some of these holes, so you can tell that water was getting into and I was getting water in somewhere in here. I didn't know, I thought it was up here it was coming in, but it looks like it was coming from there. And yeah, so it's pretty much clean. I'm gonna edge paint it. I'm gonna just edge paint it, and over here I'm gonna prime it. Edge paint the aluminum and prime the exposed fiberglass or SMC, whatever. So that's it for now. I'm gonna try and get this rail off of here and put it on the ground, so I clean the butyl, the tape, whatever that is, on there. And I need to get inside. Mosquitoes are starting to come out. I need to put some spray or to continue, or just go in. So that's it for now. I might continue a little bit more. If I do, I'll show it. If not, we'll continue tomorrow. All right, thanks.